Well, we're having a wing eating contest.
I'm not really sure what that means.
Oh, we're gonna them up. CDs, desires. They don't even need this. They're gonna lose. We'll just eat them. They can starve. I'll turn them into.
Is this hot? Spicy?
No, you just have a vagina.
Sorry, excuse me, is the sauce on these like calorie-wise? Are they sugar-free? Is there gluten in this? I can't have gluten.
There's gluten on that one.
And the jacket coming folding it real nice.
Yeah, you better not get that jacket dirty there, fruitcake.
Well, I'm taking it off.
Like grow a set of testicles.
No, you got some sauce on your face. Ah, on your face. Ah. Yeah, you're good. What? Where are you going? More for us.
That's one thing we gotta say. In order to be the men, you gotta beat the men.